everyone, today I am here for the revision of our list of the headings. We have discussed all the strategies in our previous video, so let us revise them quickly. Firstly, you have to attempt other question of the passage before doing list of the headings. Then you have to read all the list of the heading. Nextly, go to the passage, read first sentence and the last sentence, match the word, and then decide that matched word from list of the heading and passage is giving you answer or it is disconnecting you with the answer. If you do not find the word, either you can skip it for that particular while and attempt other headings and come back and find the answer from the limited ones, and otherwise you can find the word from whole passage and then have the same strategy. Let us practice now. Let us read the list of heading. The advantage of Morse invention, a suitable job for women. Morse invention was developed. Sea rescue after the invention of radio telegraphy. The emergence of many job opportunities. Standard and variation. Application of Morse code in a new technology. The discovery of electricity. International expansion of Morse code, the beginning of an end, the move of using code to convey information. Let us come to the paragraph A. Calling all, this is our last cry before our internal silence. This is our last cry. Last cry means end, but it's not the direct word match. Let us read the last sentence as well. It is the final deadline for the switchover to GMDSS is February 1st, a date that is widely seen as end of an era. End, the beginning of an end, and is matched, so answer is 10th. Let us move to the second. The code has, however, had a good history. Code. I have read code word here, here, and here. The application of Morse code in new technology and international expansion to convey information. Let us read further. Approximately for a technology, here is the technology and here is new technology. So that word is cut. Commonly associated with radio operators. Operators are the one who transfer the information on sinking ship, and here is no international expansion, so this is also cut, so our answer is 11th. Let us move to the paragraph C. Compared with rival electric telegraph designs such as needle telegraph developed by William Cooke and Charles Wheatstone in Britain, Moore's design was very simple. Moore's design. I have read this apostrophe S word here and here as well. The advantage of Moore's invention, the Moore's invention was developed. Here there is no advantage, it is simply describing his invention, so advantage will be cut. Answer is 3rd. Let us go to the paragraph D. At first, the need to learn this complicated looking code was Morse telegraphs seem impossibly tricky compared with other more user friendly design. That is an advantage of it. So we have already read the advantage of Morse invention. So it is first. Let us move the paragraph E. As electric telegraphy took off in the early 1850s, the Morse telegraph quickly became dominant. There is no word matched. Let us read the last sentence. By this time, Morse code had been revised. It is revised means it is changed to allow accents and other foreign characters, resulting split. Then it is changed and it is split between something, and we have read variations word here, so our answer is 6th. See paragraph F. On international submarine cables, left and right swings of a light beam reflected from a tiny rotating mirror were used to represent dots and dashes. Nothing is matched over here. So let us go to last. Telegraphy was also deemed suitable work for women. Work means job opportunities. We have already read. The largest telegram office were female. We have read job opportunities here. So answer is fifth. Let us move to the paragraph G. In a dramatic ceremony in this, Moore himself said goodbye to global community. We have read global, international over here. So this is ninth. Let us move the last paragraph. But by the 1890s, the Moore's telegraphs had a cutting edge technology. We have read the word new technology in 7th. So answer is 7th. Please do revise your list of heading by this strategies. Practice more. Like, share and subscribe these videos so that others can also take advantage of these videos. They can practice. Thank you.